truck show, and we found a truck called High Maintenance, and this thing is sweet. It's from DSD Transport, and I gotta tell you, when it comes to show trucks, this one blows them out of the park. Not only is everything chromed underneath the motor, but the suicide doors on the Peterbilt are just out of this world. And this thing is one sweet ride. I gotta tell you, it's a beautiful blue and yellow tricked out Peterbilt. And it's just, he called it High Maintenance, and High Maintenance is what it was. This truck is a 2003 Peterbilt 379 with a 550 cat in it, 18 speed, 304-inch wheelbase, and the trailer's 2021 Mack 53 footer. This thing is been put together by a lot of people. TA Truck Painting and Graphics, Amcan Truck Parts, Bones Welding and Fabrication, Inside Rides for the interior, Evans Detail and Polishing, Custom Plating Specialist, and Jim Higgins Graphics. Now, Jim Higgins, you probably heard that. Jim also does a lot of work with our friends up here at 12 Gauge and Chrome Supply Warehouse. This thing was just one sweet ride, my friends. It's got a curtain side trailer on it, and it is 10-foot one spread. Beautiful, beautiful truck. And this thing, I don't even know how you would take it out of the parking lot without being worried about it. But this thing was just one sweet ride. Full fenders all the way through. All the chrome you want. And I'm not sure I would ever do a frame light green like that, but hey, it works. I wouldn't let anybody put steel on it though, but this thing is one sweet ride, tricked out with all the chicken lights that you can get, straight pipes, the whole bit, and this was a real showstopper. So hey, if you're listening to this on the podcast, get down to the video channel and check this thing out, and I'm sure just keeping it clean is how you